The fixed asset register can be accessed from either the asset register menu, selecting assets, or by selecting asset register from within the fixed asset register status area. In the top right hand corner of the screen, you have the option to add an asset manually if you need to. Using the yellow button, you can import your assets using the Excel spreadsheet. The red button enables you to download the asset register into Excel. At the top of the asset register, we can see the current financial year that we are viewing. If we have used nettTracker for more than 1 year, there will be a yellow calendar icon where we can select to view a different period. At the top of each asset group, you will have the option to search for your assets. Simply enter the text, use the magnifying glass to search. The search is specific to the group, not the entire asset register. To the right of the search is the option to select how many assets are visible per page within each group. It's currently set to 5, and we're going to extend that to 10 assets per page. We can see how many assets are currently being displayed out of the total number of records held. We can move to the next page. We could move to the last page. We can move to the previous page, and we can move back to the first page. The default asset register view displays the name of your asset, the reference of your asset if in use, the location of an asset if in use, when the asset was acquired, the date the depreciation calculations have started from, the depreciation rule in use. If the asset was purchased in a previous financial period, you'll have your accumulated brought forward cost. If the asset was purchased in the current financial period, it will show in the current year. If the asset has been disposed in the current year, the value of that disposal will appear. Accumulated depreciation from previous financial periods, depreciation calculated in the current financial year, any adjustments for depreciation when an asset has been disposed. If an asset has been disposed, we'll see the disposal date, the current net book value of an asset, a salvage value for an asset if one is in place. If an asset has been disposed, we can see the sale proceeds and the calculated gain or loss on disposal. Using the settings cog towards the top right of the asset register view, you can select which columns you want displayed on your asset register. After removing some of the ticks from the boxes, the number of columns in view has been reduced. By clicking on the magnifying glass to the far right of each asset, we can see some summary information regarding the asset. We can also see some depreciation history that's been calculated and posted to your accounting software, and we can also see an audit trail against each asset. Towards the top right of this screen, there is a shortcut where you have the ability to edit, dispose, delete, and use the kit options against each asset. Those same options are available from within the main asset register view within your tools menu, and we'll be covering those in a separate video.